Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Photon Marks. Today we discuss method of charges. So method of charges are three types. So robbing, conduction or inductions. We can say robbing, also we can say friction by method of friction, conduction, and third one is induction. Conduction means either one body or both bodies should be charged. One body or both bodies should be charged. But induction means no physical touch between bodies. First is frictions. Friction. Or we say that rubbing by rubbing. In this method, when two bodies are rubbed together, rubbed to each other, then electron transfer from one body to another body. This is two bodies, body and body we are rubbed to each other. Then electron transfer from one body to one. So electron transfer from body 1 to body B. So we can say that body 1 is positive charge and body B is negative charge. So we can say that gain of electron is called negative charge and loss of electron we call positive charge. So for example, consider body A. This is body A of 5 electron and body B is body 5 plus 5 electron and minus 5 electron, and body B is minus plus 4 electron and minus 4 electron. So two bodies are neutral, so rubbed to each other. This is rubbed to each other. Then electron transfer from body A to body B. So some electron are consider 2 electron transfer. 2 electrons are electron. So its total charge is loss of 2 electrons. So 5 minus 3 equal to 2 plus 2. So its total charge is plus 4 minus 4 again 2 gain of electron, so minus 2. So 4 minus 2 minus 6, so minus 2 electron. So we know that this body is gain of electron and this body is loss of electron. So gaining of electron is called negative charge and loss of electron is called positive charge. When a glass rod is rubbed with silk, glass rod rubbed with silk, then electron transfer from glass rod to silk. So we say that glass rod is positive charge and silk is negative charge. And when ebonite rubbed with fuel, so electron transfer from fuel to ebonite. So this is gain of electron. So this is negative charge, and this is positive charge because of loss of electron. Now second one is conduction. Conduction means either one body or both bodies should be charged only by conductor. In this case, only by conductor, or by touching two conducting bodies or connected through a conducting wire. Again, one of the body must be charged. Or this is body A is minus 3 electron and body is 0. So this body is charged and this body is neutral. So that its initial charge so that initial total charge is minus 3 electron. So connect. Now this connect. So if bodies are identical, then charges are equally distributed after conduction, so that q net by 2 equal to 1.5 minus 1.5. This is q net by 2. This is q net is minus 3 by 2. So minus 1.5. Then its initial charge is minus 3 electron and its and then in final also minus 3 electron. Previously you know that charge is conserved quantity. Now, third one is induction, and this method is charge is used to create other charge bodies without touching them. Two bodies are without touching. Two bodies are without touching to charge flow. This is method of inductions. Also, one of the devices roughly used to estimate the charge on the body is God Deep electroscope. This is God Deep electroscope. This is also used to know charge on the body. This is the device. It is also important to charge on the body, knowing the charge on the body. Now the Coulomb's law. We know that uh, uh, like charges repel each other and unlike charges attract each other. So that the force between the two charges is given by Coulomb. No. So that this is an electric also this is analogous to the Newton's law of gravitation. Now the Coulomb's law state that the the electrostatic force of attraction or repulsion between two charges bodies is directly proportional to the product of their charges and varies inversely as the square of the distance between the two bodies. So that force directly proportional to product of their charges q1 by q2 two charges and force inversely to the square of the distance between them. That's correct. This is so that combining both we can write f directly proportional to q1 q2 by r square or constant table, then we can say f equal to so that constant we say f equal to k q1 q2 by r square or k is the direct we say that k is called as Coulomb constant or its value is 9 into 10 to the power 9 Newton into meter square by Coulomb square. Unit to charge is Coulomb square. Or I can write k equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. So this is Coulomb's constant, or we say that dielectric constant. It is important of Coulomb force is attraction and repulsion depend on sign of charges. Its attraction and repulsion of the sign of charges. If two charges are greater than to the zero, q1 q2 to the zero, then it is repulsion. Two charges are less than to zero, then it is attraction. Attraction means two charges are if this is A and this is B, this is positive charge and this is also positive charge. So two charges are repulsion. This is force is applied to this side and this side is force applied to this side. 1 2 this is 2 1 and attraction means this is positive charge, one is positive and another is negative charge. So this is attack to each other. And second point is Coulomb's law is valid for only point charge. It is only point charge. Right? Only point charge valid. It is from Newton's third law. Newton's third law. And both Newton's law of gravitation and Coulomb's law for inverse square law. Both Newton's gravitation law and Coulomb's law for inverse square law. This Newton's gravitation law means F equal to the G m1 m2 by I square. This is Newton's law of gravitation, and Coulomb's law is K q1 q2 by I square. This two law flow inverse square, that is F inversely I square. And electrostatic force are conservative in nature. This is this force or Coulomb's force or electric force. We say that this is conservative nature. Conservative nature. For example, gravitational force, spring force, elastic force are conservative nature. Conservative force means those forces against which, when work is done, it is stored in the form of potential energy. It is called conservative force. And forces are defined as the strong nuclear force, electromagnetic, weak nuclear force, gravitational force. So that strong nuclear force is the strongest force, and weakest force is gravitational force. Electricity force are much stronger than the gravitational force. Yeah. So that electricity force, this force is very stronger than the this force, gravitational force. Now, the one question is, two point charges are separated by distance d repel each other with a force 4 Newton. If distance between them is changed to 2d, then force will become its charge is same. So that not same. F we know that F direct equation to Q1 Q2 by d square, or F equal to K Q1 Q2 by this square. This is equal to 4 Newton each given. So if distance between them is changed to 2, so d changes to 2d, then force so F dash equal to K Q1 Q2 by d changes to 2g, so that 2d whole square equal to K Q1 Q2 by 4d square. So this is, we know that this is K Q1 Q2 by 4d square is each 4, given each 4, so by 4, so cot is 1 Newton. So the force become 1 Newton.